Still under binary operation, let's take a look at this expression here, and we'll be solving it. Now, if binary operation is defined over R by this, which is x operation y equals to xy plus x raised to power 2 plus y raised to power 2. Now, if x operation into bracket x plus 2 equals to 49, find x. Actually, this is an expression that will probably lead to a quadratic equation. Then how do we solve this? Now let us get started. Now take note that a binary operation is combination of elements based on rules. Now this is the expression for this operation. So as such, now let us equate this first for this. Now take note that x operation y gives you xy plus x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2. Now let us replace it with this. So here we have that x operation x plus what 2. Take note that here now we now replace y for x plus 2. Now which means that x into x plus 2 now plus x squared plus x plus 2 all raised to power what 2. So as such, now let us now expand. But remember that this whole expression is 49. But before we get that, let us express this. Now in opening this is same thing as saying if you are to open a bracket, this is x squared plus 2x plus x squared. Now plus, if you are to open this one, this is same thing as saying x squared plus this times this, that is 2x, 4x plus 4, all equals to 49. Take note that this whole expression equals to 49. Now this whole expression is from here to here. Now with our 49, this. You might be asking that how did I get x plus 4x plus x squared plus 4x plus 4. You just when you expand, which is this, that x plus 2 into x plus 2, which will give us this times this, this times this, this times this, and this times this, which will give us x squared. Now this times this will give us 2x, this times this will give us 2x, and this times this will give us what? Plus 4, which will give us x squared plus 2x plus, 2x plus 2x will give us 4x plus 4, and that's how we got this. Okay, in continuation, now here we now collecting like terms. Here we have that x squared now plus this one x squared, which other one again, plus x squared, which other one again, no other x squared, right? Okay, now plus 2x plus 4x plus 4 equals to 49. So this plus this plus this will give us 3x squared. Now this plus this will give us 6x. Now plus 4 equals 49. Now we can now bring down, transpose this over to the left hand side. We have a 3x squared plus 6x plus 4 minus 49 all equals to what? 0. So as such, we can now see 3x squared plus 6x. Now this plus 4 minus 49 will now give us minus 45, which equals what? 0. Okay, now you can see that this has actually led us to a quadratic equation. Now you can see we have a common factor here, and the common factor here is 3. So if we are to divide everything by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, this will cancel this. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2, 3 here, 1, 3 in 4, 1 remainder 1. In 15, we have what? 5. So at the end of the day, you have x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 15 equals to what? 0. Alright, so we'll need, sorry that this didn't show up from on the screen. So here we have x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to what? 0. Now this is the quadratic equation we will be simplifying further to get the value of x. Okay. All right, now to simplify this quadratic equation, okay, we will simplify this by factorization. All right, and as such, using the factorization rule, now this x squared times minus 15 will give us minus 15x squared. Now what is that will multiply to give you minus 15, and we add to give you plus 2, and that should give us plus 5x and minus 3x, which means that plus 5x times minus 3x will give us minus 15x squared. Now plus 5x minus this plus minus this will give us plus 2. So as such, replace these two factors for these two. Replace these two factors for these two, which means x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Now here we will now collate. You can now see that plus minus x minus 3x will actually still give you my plus 2x. So let us collate. Okay, so as such, now what is common between these two? We have x, then x plus 5, then minus. All right, the factor between this and this is 3, so you bring out 3. Now x minus 5 then equals to 0. So what is now common between x and minus 3? Here we have x plus 5 into x minus 3. Take note, sorry, this should be plus, so it equals 0. So which means that x plus 5 equals to 0, and x minus 3 equals to 0. So as such, now we can now say that x from here equals to minus 5, and x in this, from this we will now have that x equals to what? 3. So our x equals to minus 5 or 3. Okay. All right, thank you. We'll be seeing in other subsequent classes. All right, bye.